Welcome, in front of me is Redmi 13 and in this video I will show you what to do if your phone isn't detecting your SIM card. First of all, carefully remove the SIM card from your phone, grab a pin like this and push it into this tiny hole next to your SIM card slot, and then carefully remove it from your device. Then remove your SIM card and using a dry soft piece of cloth or a dry towel, wipe the surface of your SIM card on both sides and then carefully reinsert it back into your phone like this. Like this. Excuse me. Then, once you insert your SIM card, go to Settings, Mobile Networks, and then see if your phone detects your SIM card right now. And in case it's still not detecting your SIM card, you can try to test your SIM card in another phone to confirm the functionality of the SIM card itself. And in case other device detects this SIM card without a problem, then check for software updates. To do that, connect to the internet using your Wi-Fi. Let me do that real quick. Then go to the search field in settings and search for update, system update, and see if there are any updates available to install. And in case there are any updates, okay, in my case there are no available, but in case you do have available updates, then take your time and install them on your phone, then restart it and see if your phone detects your SIM card now. But in case it's not, then what you can do is go to settings, then search for reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth, select reset settings, click OK. Okay, and now let's go back to the network, mobile networks, and at this point your device should detect your SIM card. In case it's still not detecting it, maybe you have to restart your phone to apply changes. To do that, hold down the volume up key and the power button at the same time, then select reboot on your screen and then wait until your phone is restarted. And at this point your issue should be resolved. So I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.